morning, students. Since I have a live class at 12:30, today we will check out whether that is reaching to all or not. If difficulty is there in the online classes, we will go for 20 to 30 minutes video clips. Then we are going to send through the YouTube. Whichever you feel easy to listen, you can practice that. Yesterday I made incomplete in the named reactions. Some of the reactions we studied thoroughly: Wood's reaction, Wood's-Fittig reaction, Fittig's reaction, formation of Grignard reagent. We studied under haloalkanes. One more reaction is not studied, that is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, though it is not a named reaction, but it is important. Elimination reaction such that when haloalkane it is better to select the haloalkane should have more than one carbon. ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಾರದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಕೀನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಮೀಥೇನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮೋಮೀಥೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ವೆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೀಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ alcoholic potassium hydroxide or alcoholic sodium hydroxide, what happens? There is a removal of hydrogen. From the second carbon. You are getting water. There is a removal of the halogen. You are getting KX as the byproduct. The main product remaining is or CH double bond CH2. This is called as alkene. For example, when CH3 CH2 Br, this is bromoethane, is heated with alcoholic sodium hydroxide or a potassium hydroxide, dehydrohalogenation takes place. Therefore, the product formed will be ethene by the removal of NaBr and water. This is bromoethane. The product formed is ethene. You studied last year under the heading of alkene preparation. Other day repeat ಆಗ್ತದೆ, but important. Elimination reaction can also be called it as a dehydrohalogenation. Because as you know that De in the chemistry stands for removal of hydrogen, and also removal of halogen takes place in a single reaction. Therefore, it is called dehydrohalogenation. Since removal of hydrogen takes place from the second carbon, therefore you may call the reaction also as beta elimination. Then we studied Darzin's process for alcohol esterification. Again under alcohols we studied Kolb's reaction and also Reimer-Tiemann reactions under phenol, and method of preparation of phenol by Cummins process we studied already. Let us go for some of the reactions under aldehydes and ketones. Gattermann-Koch reaction is a method of preparation of the aldehyde, especially benzaldehyde, such that when a benzene, I discussed already in the yesterday's class, I am repeating the same thing. When a benzene is heated with a carbon monoxide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 HCl and also CuCl, the product formed is benzaldehyde. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ನೇಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಟರ್ಮನ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಅಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವರು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? when a benzene is heated with the carbon monoxide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 HCl and CuCl, it gives benzaldehyde is the explanation. Repeatedly I said that while writing the answer for 2 mark for the organic reaction, writing the explanation is not needed at all. ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋದು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಟರಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. Another is Itard's reaction. Itard's reaction is another method of preparation of a benzaldehyde. I'll write in brief. When a toluene is heated with a chromyl chloride, CrO2, Cl2 is called as a chromyl chloride. It gives the intermediate compound chromium complex that finally giving rise to benzaldehyde is the explanation and also reaction. You have to consider that the compound you taken is toluene, the product formed is benzaldehyde. ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 2 reactions for aldehydes. One is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, though it is not a named reaction, but aldol is not a scientist name, it is a compound name having 2 functional groups. One is aldehyde, another is alcohol. Aldol condensation should be studied for the compound containing alpha hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon. Therefore, when 2 molecules of acetaldehyde are heated with a dilute sodium hydroxide, self condensation takes place to form CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO. This is called as a aldol because it contains CHO group ALD, it contains OH group OL. aldol ಅಂದ್ರೆ aldehyde ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಎರಡೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದು. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ನೇಮ್. ಯುಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 3 hydroxy butanol AL, 3 hydroxy butanol. Extra information if you want, this compound on heating removal of water takes place, therefore it gives CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. This is called crotonaldehyde. UPAC name, this is butanol. But for 4 carbon, En for double bond, Al for aldehydic group. This is especially for CET exam concerned. Final product anta kelidre crotonaldehyde, UPAC name butanol anta mention ಮಾಡಿ. Next is Cannizzaro reaction. It is a named reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is a named reaction. It is only for aldehyde. It is applicable for the compound not having alpha hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon. ಅಲ್ಲಿ aldol condensation ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ alpha hydrogen ಇರಬೇಕು. Cannizzarose reaction ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ alpha hydrogen ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಏನು alpha hydrogen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, CHO ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆ ಫ್ರೀ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾರ್ದನೆ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗು ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Cannizzarose reaction has to answer for the aldehyde means that aldehyde should not contain alpha hydrogen. Therefore, I will take two examples. One is when the two molecules of formaldehyde are treated with the potassium hydroxide, heating not necessary, shaking well, leaving for overnight ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳವರೆಗೂ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Then it undergo oxidation as well as reduction. By the process of oxidation, you are getting potassium benzoate. By the process of reduction, you will get methyl alcohol. This is potassium formate. This is methyl alcohol. The compound we taken is formaldehyde. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಟೂ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ on treating with shaking with NaOH or KOH, alcoholic condition not needed, aqueous is enough. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗಿಸಿದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. After shaking well, as I said, one compound you got is sodium benzoate. This is by oxidation process. Another compound you got is benzyl alcohol. This is by reduction process. In a cell nodi, aldehyde not containing alpha hydrogen on shaking with a strong alkali KOH or NaOH, both oxidation as well as reduction takes place to form alcohol, and alkali salt of respect to carboxylic acid is formed, is the explanation needed. And two example are given. Formaldehyde ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ potassium formate plus methyl alcohol, ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೆಂಜೋಯೇಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೆಂಜಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಇದು ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬೆಂಜಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. Another is Rosenmund's reduction. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸಬಹುದು. At least once in a week, if you are having a habit of repeating the statement reactions thoroughly, so you could remember for many days together. It is a method of preparation of the aldehyde such that when acid chloride is reduced, means by passing hydrogen in presence of palladium catalyst supported with the barium sulfate, it undergo reduction to form the respective aldehyde by the removal of HCl. For example, CH3COCl plus H2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ palladium catalyst supported with barium sulfate, it giving rise to CH3 CHO plus HCl ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ this is acetyl chloride the product formed is acetaldehyde ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ this is common name I given I'll write UPAC name this is ethanoyl chloride though you are already in the second PU but should not forget UPAC nomenclature it is applicable everywhere this is ethan ended with the AL this is a method of preparation of the aldehydes one Rosenmund's another is Clemmensen reduction Clemmensen reduction is a reaction mainly applicable for aldehydes and ketones. I am taking an example of ketone. When a ketone or carbonyl compound is reduced with the help of amalgamated zinc. Amalgamated zinc andre zinc mercury alloy anna amalgamated zinc in a concentrated HCl reduction takes place to form respective hydrocarbon is formed. You can understand by taking example CH3 double bond O is a acetone on reduction by heating with the amalgamated zinc in comp HCl the product formed is CH3 CH2 CH3 with water it is propane ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I have mentioned that alkane is formed ಅಂತ hydrocarbon is formed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ hydrocarbon hydrogen carbon ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ propane is formed because you taken acetone 3 carbon containing ketone you taken therefore you will get propane as the main product ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಲಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿಲೇಬೇಕು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 4 named reactions we are going to ask in the examination. Among those 2 named reactions we have to indicate by giving the name of scientist. Another 2 reactions we are going to ask either in the complete the following ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ write the main product formed ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 named reactions ಅನ್ನು without mentioning the name, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು named reactions ಅನ್ನು with mentioning the name we are going to ask. Therefore you must practice the named reactions compulsorily.